Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel, Lady T's Things That Bling. And as you can see, I'm going to a Dollar Tree. This one is on Route 38 in New Jersey, which is a state over from where I live. These are the little houses that I saw. I think they're so cute. These are little table stands. And what? The Eagles? Are you kidding me? The Eagles? Okay. All right. Go ahead, Dollar Tree. These are the wall peeling sticks. They had a lot of varieties there, which I can never ever find in Philadelphia. Peel and stick. All of these are peel and stick. And I'm just amazed at the variety they have. And this is all in New Jersey. Can't find any of this in Philadelphia. At least not where I live. Look at the wood cutouts they have here. That look like a castle. They have a truck. Just awesome. That's my sister and Rhonda. Anyway, look at these cutouts. These wood pieces. MDF, wood. Of course, galvanized items. Just amazing. Now, this is a Dollar Tree that I would just love to go to on a constant basis. Yes. Look at this. Okay, now this section right here just blew me away. The colors, the choices that you have is just amazing. I couldn't find it in my area in Philadelphia. And being in a wheelchair and having to catch public transportation is a little difficult. So the one area that I live in, the Dollar Trees do not have anything like this. Look at the stickers, the rubber ones, the stickers for the glass, even the laser pieces. Look, beautiful welcome sign. Now, I like that sign. I should have got that, but I didn't. Look at this. Home. Look at the animals. The animal cutouts. Like, are you kidding me? If you're into animals, Route 38 in New Jersey is the place for you. Now, here's a new sign that I haven't seen anywhere. I don't think I've seen anybody do any hauls with these. But it's a beautiful heart sign. Look at this. Home. I love it. There's actually 3 pieces to that. The love signs. This is the first time I've seen these windows. My sister liked that sign, Gather Together. And here's Rhonda, and these are the mirrors that I haven't seen. I love these mirrors, the 2 sizes. And we just acting up. The galvanized love sign, I love that too. And the home sign. Well, thank you all for watching. And when I go back, I'll do another haul. New Jersey. Dollar Tree, Route 38. Thanks for stopping by.